Hey there, Boots Owen here. Hotpoint Aquarius, 6 kg. Say Hotpoint on it somewhere. I don't know why I said. Oh, I must have said it up there before. TDL52. I just know it's a Hotpoint from looking at it. I've tried it on low, it got hot. Tried it on high, it got hotter. You can feel. Oh, it's a glass door actually. That's peculiar for a tumble dryer. Normally they're plastic. I tried it by putting my hand around the back. I also took this off to have a look at it, and the bearing seems okay. I put a drop of oil on it, and I'll have to put the cover back on. Nice hot air coming out. It's a bit silly on a cold day like today outside. It seems to be working just fine apart from that noise. I wonder if it's one of the jockey wheels or the wheels on the motor drive belt down below. To get in there, it's a bit of a pain. You might be able to get the front off of this one. But it does seem to be going away now that I've run it for 5 minutes. So I'll leave it for another few minutes. If it's gone away, then that's alright. I don't really want it, but I was given it. And I don't really want it, so I don't really know what to do with it other than now it works. The noise is gone in the time I'm talking to you. I thought I'd make a video fixing it, but I'm not going to fix something that's not broken. Right, let's... Oh, nice and toasty. It's a shame it's outside. Filter's down here. Come out, filter. Yeah, that's a bit grim. Let's have a look at that. That hasn't been cleaned in a while. Oh, look at that. Layers and layers of... Better do that another day. Layers and layers. That hasn't been cleaned in a while. That would help. Performance. Let's get in here. It's not too bad, actually. It's not too bad. So the fan sucks air in from somewhere at the bottom probably, pushes it through the element at the back, in through here, hot air through the clothes, down through the filter, into there. I don't see any money. Round to the back. And out there, out this hole in the back. Should be nice and warm there. The element's under that. I could take that off and have a look at it. Could be full of fluff. The whole machine could be full of fluff. I don't know what to do with it. I don't really want it. It's tested by R. McDonald, which is kind of cool. Made in the UK. I think they were made in Wales once upon a time, but I could be wrong. Tell me about it in the comments below. I don't know what to do with this. This video started and now it's ending. You tell me what I should do in the comments below. Bizarre. Thanks for watching.
See
you later.